Hello everyone, my name is Zebi. Super duper to have you here. I've lived in this crib forever. I love it so much. We've been here forever and ever, and we're gonna be here forever. Let me greet my mom. Mom, I'm home. I'm freaking out. I don't understand why we're moving. Why is she moving us? I'm going to ask her. Zebi, no, stop. You're gonna get all of us killed. Why are you moving us? Where are we moving to? Where are you taking us? What is this? What is this? Bloody lizard almost killed me. Oh, glad nothing happened. Whew, we're almost home. Okay, I love our new house. Did you see? I love our new house. There's a yard and there's everything. I guess the only guarantee in life is change.